Beautifully renovated, this English-style home is situated in a sought-after Northeast Portland neighborhood. It's conveniently located near city amenities and within walking distance to top-tier restaurants, multiple parks, the Rose City Golf Course, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, breweries, cafes, the Barley Pod food carts, and much more. Discover modern improvements throughout while maintaining its original character. Beautiful hardwood floors and designer finishes create an inviting living space where no detail is overlooked. The remodeled kitchen features gorgeous granite and stainless steel appliances while retaining its period charm. On the main level, you'll find 2 bedrooms and a gorgeous bath with a jacuzzi tub in this 4-bedroom home of more than 2,700 square feet. The upper-level suite offers a large living space with great ceiling height, another generous bedroom, a stunning walk-in closet, additional storage, and an updated bath. The large, finished basement offers plenty of flex space to have a home gym, office, playroom, guest room, or a 4th bedroom. And another full bath. The backyard has tons of space to host the family breakfast and summer cookouts. It's fully fenced and comes complete with a deck and a detached garage. With updated plumbing, wiring, a newer heat pump, and more, this home is truly move-in ready. Timeless design with original character and modern updates. The best of both worlds. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.